So what's going on, everybody? My name's Sean. Welcome back to the channel if you guys are new. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry for, kind of being MIA for the last couple weeks. I've just kind of been in a funk lately. I haven't been wanting to make videos, but I'm out of the funk now, so I'm here again. But I just had a sudden urge to want to drive the Evo. It's sort of a nice day today. It was like 45 degrees, but it's been like 20, so 45 is pretty okay. There hasn't been any salt or anything spread on the roads, so I think that I think it's a good day to go drive. The sun's going down, but I just kind of wanted to put out a short video for you guys just to have something out there. So we're gonna take the Evo. I'm going to go put some fuel in it, E85 of course, and then we're gonna go do some pulls. So it's gonna be a point of view. So if you guys are new here and you guys enjoy this, stick around, like the video if you like it. It helps the channel more than you guys think. Take a moment, pause the video, hit the like button. It's free for you, helps me a lot. If you guys are new and you guys enjoy it, stick around, hit the subscribe button, like it, comment, let me know what you think of the Evo, and yeah, enjoy the video. Motorcycle riders are just crazy. It's freaking cold outside, man. Just throw a coat on and just get going. Screw all that. I like my heat. Give me my heat. That's all I want. Sure is a lot of Camaros and Challengers out today. Sure would be a shame if I pooped on them. Race car, police car. Good thing I wasn't doing 80. Don't stop for this person because they're not making a whole U-turn. E85. Now to go do some race car stuff all by my lonesome, because that's always how it is, even with Ricebox. For those of you that don't know, Ricebox is my 2JZ240 strapped to a Dogbox and runs 9s in the quarter. It blew up just recently, a couple months ago, but I'm in the process of making it faster, so alright, here we go. On our way to my test road that I test Ricebox on. This car was nowhere near as fast. And for those of you that have watched up to this point, this car is a top mount 6466. It's got a matte performance, top mount manifold, V-band, downpipe. It's just a basic setup. Fully built 2.0 long rod, manly piston, manly rod, GSC S3 cams. It's fully built, makes around 600 to all wheels, and it is still on the stock, well, it's a 5-speed transmission, so I guess I wouldn't necessarily call it stock. It's on a stock ACDT case though, and I have launched it. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, you guys can go check out some older videos. They're pretty recent, but it seems to be holding up very, very well. I apologize that it's getting a little dark, a little quick. That's because I get off at the timing it's dark, and I go to work while it's dark, so I don't really have that much time in the day to make any videos, but the weekends I'm free, so, I mean, it just all really depends. I think we're over boosting. Yeah, I've got too many boosties for the stock fuel line. Over boosting like crazy. That or it just needs cleaned out. One of the two. it pulls really freaking hard when it's cold outside. But that's with any turbo vehicle, you know? Holy crap, I literally just like lost traction. That's awesome. Sort of. It's cool with all-wheel drive, it's not cool with Ricebox. Losing traction in that car is just freaking terrible. Hate it so much. Woo! I know you guys can probably barely see anything, but you know, I hope you guys enjoy the way it sounds at least. I mean, it's something that, you know. Please don't take me to gravel. I don't want to go to gravel. Even though I got a little selection for gravel, I don't want it at all. I think we got a little warmed up. How many boosts was all that? 25. 25 boosts. Man, this car is fast. That's, I mean, I'm not gonna like beat around the bush. This car is fast. It's really fast. I mean, I haven't had Ricebox for a while, so I mean, this thing is like, all right. Oh, it's just a Mustang. Boost cut. Boost cut. Boost cut must have been like, no, it was still 24.8. That's freaking crazy. This car is nuts. My standalone in here so I can tune it. It's boost cutting really bad, but you know, that's okay. Yeah guys, I just wanted to get this short video out for you. It's just, I've just been kind of in a funk lately, like I was saying in the beginning of the video. I mean, I know you guys like me for my race car stuff, and I haven't really been getting much traction on the Evo or the Talon. I know Ricebox is the face of the channel, but you know, give this car a chance at least. I can understand the Talon, but this car it's no slouch. It's no slouch. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Like I said, it's free, and it helps the channel out a lot. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.